Hi, my name's Phil Bistry. I'm an English language arts teacher for grades 9 through 12 at Phoenix Academy. Phoenix Academy is an alternative education program in Greece, New York. We service students who have social emotional needs. Um, this assignment really freaked me out, to be honest, so there's one thing to know about me. I did not understand this technology. I've never used the software before, so when I saw the assignment, I completely panicked. However, I'm here and I'm trying to do it, so hopefully it works. So technology is not a thing that I use a lot in my classroom. Most of my students don't have access to technology, and we are currently waiting for the district to provide our students with one-to-one access to Chromebooks. When they do that, I will be using this website more often than not, which is News ELA. I love this website. Currently, I use it. Um, It's got a huge library. It has very current news articles that are very up to date. And what I do with it right now is I just pick an article and I come over to this little option and I print it for my students. But one of the things I like about it is you can change the Lexile levels for all of the articles. So max is grade 12, it goes down, now it's third grade, and you can go in between that. So if you have students with different learning or reading levels, then you can assign the same article to those students just at different levels and help improve those reading skills and literacy skills. But if you pay for the pro version, which I have not, you get access to a binder and you can build classrooms and you can assign all of this digitally. So the readings go to the students, the questions go to the students, you can annotate their work, um, the work is graded for you. You just invite students and build a classroom, or if you already use Google Classroom, you can just import your students. The website just is full of great material and great support for teachers and multiple contents, not just English, arts, culture, geography, world history. It has news for science, um, it has math. So there's just lots of good material here. I would like to be able to use this digitally with my students so I didn't have to print everything out for them. But until everybody gets access to technology in a way that is useful, I am still printing stuff out for them. But like I said, this is a completely new landscape for me in this class, so hopefully I learn a lot, and it's nice to meet you all, and I look forward to working with you throughout this semester.